How to join friends game in Among Us. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our Among Us application. Make sure that you are logged into your Among Us account. You will see a page like this. And here, if you would like to join a friends game, tap on to play and choose online option. Here, if it's a private server, if your friend is hosting a private game, then they will also provide you a code. Then tap on enter code. Enter the code here, then tap on this send icon. That will direct you to the game. If in case it is a public game and if you would like to join a public game, then tap on find game. At this page, you will be able to find various games to play on. Tap onto any game that you would like. And here you can tap on to play in order to play. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.